Do you have 3 remotes and never know which one to use? You're not alone. Many people have a TV remote, a cable remote, and a Roku remote. And when something stops working, it can be frustrating trying to figure out which remote controls what. Let's make it simple. First, let's talk about the TV remote. The TV remote usually controls the television itself. It turns the TV on and off. It controls the volume. And it lets you change inputs like HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. Next is the cable remote. The cable remote is usually used to watch cable channels. It changes channels. It opens the guide. And it controls DVR functions like pause, rewind, and record. Now let's talk about the Roku remote. The Roku remote is used for streaming apps. It helps you watch Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, Disney+, and other streaming services. One of the most common questions people ask is, which remote turns on the TV? The answer depends on how your system is set up. In many homes, the TV remote turns on the television. But sometimes the cable remote or Roku remote has been programmed to do the same thing. If you're not sure, simply press the power button on each remote and see which device responds. Another common question is, which remote changes channels? If you're watching cable TV, use the cable remote. The Roku remote does not change cable channels. And the TV remote usually doesn't either. If you're watching streaming apps, use the Roku remote instead. What about the volume? This is where many people get confused. Some systems use the TV remote for volume. Others use the cable remote. And some Roku remotes can control volume too. If the volume isn't working, try the volume buttons on each remote while watching the TV screen. Whichever remote makes the volume bar appear is likely the one controlling sound. Here's the easiest way to remember everything. If you have a TV problem, start with the TV remote. If you have a cable problem, use the cable remote. If you're watching streaming apps, use the Roku remote. TV remote for the TV. Cable remote for cable. Roku remote for streaming. Keeping those 3 rules in mind can eliminate a lot of frustration. You can also make things easier by labeling your remotes. A simple sticker that says TV, cable, or Roku can save a lot of confusion. Technology should not feel confusing. With a little practice, you'll know exactly which remote to use and when to use it. Thanks for watching. And if you'd like more simple TV help, subscribe to Quorixal.